Many beginning web publishers don't understand how big a role their choice of keywords plays in how many people will view their content. And if you're new to search marketing, keywords are the terms that people use to type into Google or Yahoo or any other search engine to find results. And if you select a popular keyword phrase for your content, there's a big chance that a lot more people will find that. So how do you choose which keywords are going to be most popular with your readers? If you type keyword tool into Google, the top result will be Google AdWords external keyword tool, and this is used extensively by search marketers in building pay-per-click campaigns, but it can also be used for bloggers or content publishers to determine which are the most popular keywords. So for this example, let's imagine that we are a hotel in Boston and we want to create a list of possible topics or possible upcoming blog posts about things to do in the area. So let's just type the word Boston into this keyword tool. Let's click Advanced Options, and we will only want keyword ideas that include the search term Boston. We're only searching for US-based search queries in English. We're going to hit search, and it's going to pull up a list of all the most popular search terms that people have used on Google in the past few months. Now we can see here Boston hotels are quite popular. We're going to sort this by global monthly searches, so we can see the very top keyword terms here. Boston hotels are something that you'll probably want to have as the title of your blog, but let's look as we scroll down here a bit and find ideas. So Boston events is a very popular keyword term with 135,000 monthly searches. Boston tours is popular, Boston attractions, and so as we think of ideas for titles for our blog posts, we want to have these popular phrases in there. So for example, let's say we want to work off of the keyword phrase Boston tours. When we're creating a new blog post, we may have something like top 5 Boston tours. This gets our keyword phrase Boston tours in there. And then throughout the post, we may have a number of mentions of this phrase Boston tours. For example, you may have a subheading that says, why go on a Boston tour, our favorite Boston tours. You want to repeat this phrase over and over again so that search engines see this as a very relevant post. And you can even go ahead and edit the permalink here to something really short that really focuses on this keyword phrase. So you might just have Boston tours. Maybe this is a whole category, so we want to make it a little bit more clear and have top Boston tours. This way, in the Google search results, if someone types in Boston tours, like we can try just now, the title will be bold, and this link here on your site will also be bold. So it'll be your blog name / Boston tours. And again, this is just much more relevant to the search term. So going back to the keyword tool, you can use this as you get more and more sophisticated. So you may type in Boston bike tours just to get a better feel for the most popular phrases that people are searching for around that concept. And of course you can do this for anything, but I would just encourage you to select a term that's more popular instead of one down here that's less popular. You want to get the term that people are actually searching for. Okay, that's the first tool that I would recommend starting out with. The second one is Google Trends. So you can type one keyword, 2 keywords in here, and this is really useful when you're doing international publishing and you're trying to reach a global audience. You can see which terms are most popular for different countries. Obviously there's different linguistic variations as you move from even between the US and the UK. You have to choose the right word for your post when you're optimizing, but I would highly encourage you to use both Google's keyword tool and Google Trends as you find the most popular keyword terms for the content that you're trying to publish.